Have you ever needed a high-res satellite map image of a large area? Noni Map View is a free program that accesses various different world satellite map tools and allows you to create tiles of satellite mapped areas. This makes it a simple task to easily stitch together large areas to create a single large map, for use in a 3D program, for example. Simply pick a map source, define an area, specify a zoom level for display and download. Note that it shows you the size and quantity of the images that will be made, and begin outputting. We can see that it has output the expected number of images along with XY coordinates to help you correctly lay them out. The XY coordinates start with the upper left of the map. Increasing X values go to the right, and increasing Y values go down.